For this lesson, we are going to talk about money. So I want you to go to your cupboard and I want you to take out a few items and just make prices for those items. So I've made my spray and cook 18 Rand, tomato and onion mix 11 Rand, the cream crackers 15 Rand, chocolate 7 Rand, hot chocolate 24 Rand, and peanut butter 6 Rand. And I've added money into the document so your parents can print the money for you, but my printer isn't working at the moment, so I've just drawn on pieces of paper the rands and the coins. Right, so what I want you to do is play with your mom or your dad. You are going to pretend that you are the shopkeeper, or your mom or your dad is the shopkeeper. You can maybe start off with a 50 Rand, so I'm going to find a 50 Rand. And you can go to your mom or your dad's shop and you can go and decide what you want to buy. So I have 50 Rand and I'm going to the shop and I'm going to buy biscuits. How much change am I going to get if I'm going to buy the biscuits? I only have 50 Rand. So I'm going to write the sum. 50 Rand minus the 15 Rand and get your answer for how much change you are going to get. In this case, I'm going to have 35 Rand change. Then if you swap it around and you want to know how much you spend at the shop and you are going to the shop and you are choosing, let's say, the chocolate and the peanut butter. How much money did you spend? So here I worked out how much change I'm getting. And now you are working out how much you spend. So you are going to have to add the amount to get your answer. So 7 Rand plus 6 Rand equals, and you work it out, that would be 13 Rand. That is how much I spend at the shop. Maybe you want to buy 3 items or 4 items. Use your imagination. For this lesson, I'm going to be doing bonds of 13. So I've made a little shirt on the hanger, number 13. And we are going to work out different ways of making 13, like we did with the 12s in the house, but just a bit different. So I'm going to write bonds of 13. Right. You need to first find 13 objects. So obviously you need to use the pegs because we're going to be using the hanger. So I'm going to count 13 pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then I want you to write 10 numbers on your sheet of paper. Because you are going to find 10 ways of making bonds of 13. So I'm going to take my hanger and my pegs and I'm going to make different ways of making bonds of 13. So I'm going to put 1 on that side and I'm going to put all of the other ones on this side. And then I'm going to count them from left to right to make my sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then I'm going to write 12 plus 1 equals 13, because we know we have 13 pegs. Then you take them off, or you can move them across, and you make a different bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my first number is 9. 9 plus what is going to give me 13? 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 and 4 make 13. So I want you to find 10 different ways of making bonds of 13.